can you buy some magic syrup so I can cook our lunch now? CJ! CJ! Ay! Aba! CJ ah!
Mom, wait! I'm filming a TikTok.
Stop using TikTok and go buy now!
You are most likely one of the many individuals who use TikTok, so therefore you are probably familiar with this scenario. Living in the 21st century where technology has advanced significantly, you probably have heard of the term social media. According to Smart Insights, about 59% of the world's population uses social media, with an average daily usage of 2 hours and 29 minutes. That is 4.70 billion people using social media. So what is social media and why is it so popular? Because of its user-friendly features, social media is an online platform that has increased tremendously in popularity. Social media sites like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and others allow people to communicate with one another even when they are miles apart.
Furthermore, businesses also benefit from this because they use social media to market and sell their goods, which also helps to reduce unemployment and create job opportunities. To put it simply, social media has made the entire world accessible to us. All of this makes you wonder whether something with such a powerful and wide-reaching impact could actually be entirely positive. Similar to a coin which always has two sides, social media also has its pros and cons. As a result, various people have varied opinions on this controversial topic. We interviewed 60 people to know their views regarding social media.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Brian Aqua.
Okay, so I have one question for you. What do you use social media for?
I primarily use social media to entertain myself and to keep up with the trends. I enjoy watching funny videos and vlogs. I also like to read books online. Additionally, it benefits my personal life. I can improve my understanding of some topics, for instance, learning to cook and become familiar with another culture. That is how things work in my social media life.
Okay, thank you.
My name is Gia Gatchalian and I use social media mainly for communication so I can be in touch with the people I care about. It helps me in my studies because I can reach out to people without having to physically go to them, allowing me to complete things more quickly. Though there are instances where cyberbullying and cybercrimes occur on social media, but in my experience, social media has positively affected my life overall. Social media does provide many benefits, but it also carries certain dangers, including identity theft, scams, cyberbullying, minors viewing obscene words and images, violation of privacy, and the presence of rumors who might groom others. These could lead to psychological problems like depression, loneliness, and low self-esteem. But it is indeed fortunate that all of these may be avoided with proper netiquette.
Similar to how etiquette is a guideline of polite behavior in society, netiquette is short for internet etiquette, a code of conduct for online activity. Here are the do's and don'ts in social media.
Do's in using social media. Refrain from posting confidential information online. Posting your passport, driver's license, trip itinerary, and even your class schedules could give mischievous people access to private information that they can use to open credit cards in your name or break into your apartment while you're away.
Observe your tone. Digital communication is infamously vague and open up to misinterpretation. Even though it's not your aim, you could easily come off as unpleasant, angry, or sarcastic if you're not careful. Make sure that the tone is not negative by reading your comments again before posting them.
Use the privacy settings and abide the password guidelines. Are you having trouble keeping track of your password? Use a password manager such as 1Password to create and secure passwords for you. Two-factor authentication also adds a useful additional layer of security.
Be positive. You may use social media to improve your image and create connections. You run the danger of exposing yourself to bad perceptions from others if the majority of what you share is negative or too emotional.
Don't sin using social media. Don't post nor discuss illegal actions. People have been detained for Facebook posts regarding everything from underage drinking adventures to bragging about the looted property. Even while your behavior is not nearly as extreme, it still puts you at risk from being expelled from school and facing criminal charges if it violates the law.
Don't believe in everything that you see on social media. Social media is filled with fake news. so avoid using it as a source of information. Visit credible and well-known news outlets instead.
Don't be negative or aggressive online. Freedom of expression is crucial and you have a right to your views, but exercise caution while using it. In short, don't be a hater or a troll. Comments that are damaging, hateful, and hurtful will not help your reputation. Beyond that, it's not that difficult to conduct yourself properly and politely online. Act like how you would behave in the real world.
Don't download or install any software from social networking sites. If you are browsing a social networking site and are suddenly asked to install a software, the simple and safe thing to do is to not install it. A lot of criminals try to trick people to installing software that will harm their computer. Remember to always think before you click. And that wraps up our influential discussion. Your online experience will surely be pleasant if you simply stick to the appropriate netiquette. Thank you for watching and have a terrific time on social media.